We do offer other services. We also do some remodeling. Our number one focus obviously is custom homes, but we do some remodeling. We do kitchen remodels, whole house remodels. We try not to get in the smaller aspect, which is, a small bathroom or a bedroom, but we do larger scale remodels and additions. We have a lot of folks reach out to us wanting to add, say, high priority thing right now is the in-law suite. A lot of folks in the past few years want to add an in-law suite so their parents, one or both of the parents, can move in with them. A lot of times we'll do like a kitchenette with the addition of that, and then most people will go ahead and roll in and remodel their kitchen and baths while they're doing that. So, we do offer different services, but our main focus obviously is new builds.